At first, let's describe in our own native language how a traffic light works and develop its operation algorithm. When we say that a traffic light works, we understand what we mean by it, but for the controller to run a program, it needs to be described with utmost precision together with all its operations. For a start, we can give a real-life example of how a traffic light works. How do we cross the road? We have all known it since we were kids. We were taught to look in both directions, etc. However, how do we describe it with utmost precision? For starters, we approach the crossing and then look left. We should check if there are any cars approaching from the left, and if there are none, we cross the road till its center. After that, we should look right and check if there are any cars approaching from the right. If there are none, we can cross the second section of the road. If there are cars approaching, we should wait until they have passed, and only after that should we complete the crossing of the road. In fact, we could have described these actions even in greater detail, all the way to how we should move our feet, turn our head, etc. Similarly, we can describe how a traffic light works. So, how does it work?